Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change units in Canva. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to canva.com. After that, create a blank presentation. I'm just going to use a template from here. Now you can see that this is 1300 by 700 pixels. You can see this by pressing Shift and R in your keyboard. And you can also view this by clicking on Files button at the top left corner of the screen and head over to Settings and check this box here. To change the unit in Canva, you need to click on Resize and Magic Switch button. After that, click on Custom Size. Now you can see units here. Click on this drop down box and you can change into inches, millimeter or centimeters. Now check this box here and click on Continue button. If you want the original copy of your design, you can click on Copy and Resize, or you can click on Resize this design button. After that, you can see that the units has been changed here. So that is how you can change the units in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.